Hello, in front of me I have Huawei Band 7 and I'm gonna show you how to set up a watch face with the custom image on this device. So basically, if you want to use your own image or picture as a watch face. Before we start, if you want to set up the custom watch face, your band needs to be paired with a phone via the Huawei Health application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue and open the Huawei Health application on the phone that is paired with our smart band. Let me close it and open it again. And like this. So once you open the application, you should see the health page. Now tap on the devices icon, then select the Huawei Band 7 from the list of devices. And here you should see the device page for your band. Now, on this page, scroll down and find the watch faces category. If you're missing this category, if you don't have it on the device page, it could be because when you install the application and open it for the first time, you had the option to select the region, basically, and you could have selected the region that doesn't support the feature. For example, I'm pretty sure if you select the United States, you won't have the watch faces right here, but I selected the United Kingdom instead, and I have the option right here. So basically, if you're missing the feature, you could try to reinstall the app, select a different region, and if you get prompted to log in into Huawei ID account, you should log in and you should have this option right here. So once you see the watch faces, tap on More option. Then select Mine, and here find the watch face called Gallery and tap on it. Now we can tap on the big plus button right here to select the background, and once you tap on it, you will see two options, camera and gallery. If you select the camera option, it will open the camera app. You can take a picture and use it as a watch face. And if you select the gallery option, it will open the file manager or file browser, and there you can select the image you want to use as a watch face. I'm gonna select the gallery option, allow the permission to access the files. Now I'm gonna open the pictures folder maybe, select the picture by tapping on it. And once you select the picture, you will need to crop it. Basically, you can move this frame around, and whatever is gonna be in this highlighted area is gonna be on our watch face. And you can zoom in and zoom out. Sometimes you can move around by swiping left and right. I'm just gonna center it like this, then tap on the check mark to confirm. And we have a preview of our watch face. Now, we can also tap on Style, and we can select the style of the clock. And then we can tap on Layout and change the layout. Basically, you have the top and bottom, the location of the clock. And once you're done, you can tap on Save. And after a couple of seconds, your watch face should be applied on your smartband, as you can see. And once you're done, you can close the application. Okay, and that's how you set up the watch face with the custom image on this smartband. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.